This topic is on increasing and decreasing functions. To find where a function increases, we're looking for where the function is going up and has a positive slope. To find where the function decreases, we're looking where it's going down or has a negative slope. So here's an example of a function and what is happening from A to B. So here's point A and here's point B. Its slope is positive, so it is increasing. From point B to C, the slope is a negative, so it's decreasing. From point C to D, the slope is positive, so it's increasing. When we graph a function, we may notice that the function is increasing or decreasing over particular intervals. So when it increases, the x is producing an increase in y. If it's decreasing, the x is having a decrease in y. So here are a couple examples. Increase in x, increase in y. Decrease in y, increase in x. So here is the notation that you can use. So here's an example of a quadratic function graphed out. And noticed that if I put a 0 here, it is decreasing when we are less than or equal to 0. It's increasing to the right of 0. So we say x is greater than or equal to 0. Here's an example of a function, and we want to find the intervals for which it is increasing. So let's start with part A. This interval in the blue is increasing. So when we write intervals, we're looking for the x, so -1. So it's increasing when x is less than or equal to -1. So here's negative infinity here. Here's -1. Anything to the left of that -1 is increasing. We have another interval that's increasing, has a positive slope. We're looking for the x. And then it stops at positive infinity. So we say anything to the right of +2, so x is greater than or equal to 2. Now the interval for which it's decreasing is this region here. So that's from -1 to +2. So how we write that, here's -1, here's +2, x is going to go in the middle. So we say x is greater than or equal to -1 and less than or equal to 2.